101. Where should metacenter of a ship lie to keep it in equilibrium? Answer. Above the center of gravity. 102. What is the value of temperature coefficient of a ceramic dielectric? Answer. Infinity. 103. Which of the following is an disinfectant? Answer. DDT. 104. Which of the following statements will be most suitable for KMNO4? Answer. It is a powerful oxidizing agent. 105. Which of the following characters is true about fungi? They are. Answer. Heterotrophic plants. 106. The most likely period in which a woman may conceive is. Answer. 15 to 19 day of menstrual cycle. 107. The deficiency of vitamin A causes. Answer. Night blindness. 108. Which agricultural type is known as jumming? Answer. Shifting cultivation. 109. Which of the following is regarded as cradle of civilization? Answer. River valleys. 110. The state in India which ranks first in fishing is. Answer. West Bengal. 111. Which European country built the fort at Tranquebar in 1620? Answer. Denmark. 112. The practice of sati was abolished during the administration of. Answer. Lord William Bentinck. 113. The leader who is considered as the architect of modern India. Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. 114. To learn Bharatanatyam, Rukmini Devi Arundale was encouraged by whom? Answer. Anna Pavlova. 115. Who said Mahatma Gandhi named Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as his heir and successor? We have realized that his judgment. Answer. Sardar Patel. 116. Which session of the Indian National Congress approved the Gandhi-Irwin Pact? Answer. Karachi session. 117. Who was the chairman of the Nehru Report Committee? Answer. Pandit Motilal Nehru. 118. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Answer. Alan Octavian Hume. 119. The institution of Lokayukta was created for the first time by the state of. Answer. Maharashtra. 120. Who initiated the preamble objectives resolution? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. 121. Match the following with. Answer. A4, B1, C2, D3. 122. Which article grantee constitutional safeguard to civil servants? Answer. Article 311. 123. Which one of the following bills must be passed by each house of the Indian Parliament separately by special majority? Answer. Constitutional Amendment Bill. 124. Capital formation depends on. Answer. Savings. 125. Golden handshake is a term used for. Answer. Voluntary Retirement Scheme, VRS. 126. Where is the Banana National Research Center located in India? Answer. Trichy. 127. What is mixed economy? Answer. Private sector and public sector. 128. 4.59 into 1.8 divide 3.6 plus 5.4 of 1 by 9 minus 1 by 5. Answer. 2.695. 129. What will come in place of question mark in the following sequence? Answer. M and Q. 130. Answer. 5. 131. Ravi's monthly income is rupees 12,000. He saves rupees 1,200. The percentage of his expenditure and savings are respectively. Answer. 90% and 10%. 132. The value of. Answer. 998,996. 133. The simple interest on rupees 68,000 at 16.2 by 3% per annum for 9 months is rupees dash. Answer. 8,500. 134. A ribbon is cut into 3 pieces in the ratio 3:2:7. If the total length of the ribbon is 24 meter, find the length of each piece. Answer. 6 meter, 4 meter, 14 meter. 135. Compare the ratio 2:3 and 4:7. Answer. A. 136. 2 taps can fill a tank in 30 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Another tap can empty it in 24 minutes. If the tank is empty and all the 3 taps are kept open, in how much time the tank will be filled? Answer. 1 hour. 137. The diagonal of a cube is 4 root of 3 meter, find the volume. Answer 64 meter cube. 138. In a monthly budget of a family, the expenses for food rupees 4,800, house rent rupees 2,400, clothing rupees 1,600, education rupees 800, savings rupees 1,000, miscellaneous rupees 1,400. Calculate central angles. Answer 144 degree, 72 degree, 48 degree, 24 degree, 30 degree, 42 degree. 139. The HCF of 2,293 and 3,239 is answer 79. 140. Which district of Tamil Nadu is referred to as the cradle of Eastern Ghats? Answer Viluppuram. 141. Which day is observed on the World Meteorological Day? March 23. 142. Insects Museum opened by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in March 2018 is located at answer Coimbatore. 143. Which of the following is called as tree of life? Answer coconut. 144. The spacecraft TESS is launched for the exploration of answer exoplanets. 145. It has been planned to lay 8 ways green road between answer Salem to Chennai. 146. For which of the following the logo invaluable treasures of incredible India is used? Answer geographic indicators. 147. The Indian Vegetable Research Center is located in answer Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. 148. In which of the following places the International Yoga and Naturopathy Center was set up? Answer Chengalpattu. 149. The person who received Pulitzer Prize Award in Music for the album Damn is answer Kendrick Lamar. 150. What is the excess pressure inside a soap bubble? Answer 4T by R. 151. What is the audible range of sound for human ear? Answer 20 to 20,000 Hz. 152. Which of the following compounds is called baking soda? Answer sodium bicarbonate. 153. Which of the following is used as anesthetic? Answer CHCA3 chloroform. 154. Which of the following characters of Netum brings it close to angiosperms? Answer presence of vessels in xylem. 155. From the list below, choose the binomial of lotus. Answer Nelumbium speciosum. 156. Hemophilia is a human disease caused by answer mutant gene. 157. The International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology established by UNO. It is located at answer New Delhi. 158. From which mountain range the river Beas rises? Answer Kulu Hills. 159. Indo-Pakistan Water Treaty was signed to share the river water of answer Indus River. 160. Gersopa Waterfalls is located in the river answer Sharavati. 161. The leader who started the self-respect movement in Tamil Nadu was answer E.V. Ramasamy. 162. The new education policy was introduced by answer Rajiv Gandhi. 163. The first Indian Institute of Technology was set up at answer Karampur. 164. The literary source which speaks about the association of Agastya with the first two Tamil Sangams is answer Irayanar Agapurul Urai. 165. The Sangam literature which gives a vivid picture of the activity of customs officials in Kaveri Pumpattinam is answer Patinapalai. 166. Who divided Bengal in 1905? Answer Lord Curzon. 167. Which movement was started by Syed Ahmed Khan? Answer Aligarh movement. 168. Who organized a procession against the Simon Commission at Lahore? Answer Lala Lajpati Rai. 169. Who was elected as the president of the Madras Congress Committee in 1922? Answer E.V. Ramasamy. 170. Which one of the following is not a feature of federal government? Answer single government. 171. What is the time limit to furnish information under Right to Information Act? Answer 30 days. 172. Which of the following article is related to the provision of financial emergency? Answer Article 360. 173. District judges are appointed by answer Governor. 174. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Clean India Mission ends in answer 2019. 175. Which sector contributes the major share to our national income? Answer service. 176. Mega food park in Tamil Nadu would come up in answer Tiruvallur district. 177. When was the Food Corporation of India set up? Answer January 14th, 1965. 178. The marks scored by a set of students in a test are 65, 97, 78, 49, 23, 48, 59, 98. The range for this data is answer 75. 179. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest on rupees 2400 at 2 years at 5% per annum compounded annually. Answer rupees 6. 180. Find the next term in the series. 198, 202, 211, 227 dash. Answer 252. 181. Find the LCM of 48, 108, 280. Answer 15120. 182. If 4x plus 5y is equal to 83 and 3x by 2y is equal to 21 by 22, then y minus x is equal to answer 4. 183. How many 1 by 8 are there in 37 1 by 2? Answer 300. 184. The compound interest on rupees 24,000 compounded half yearly for 1 by 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum is answer rupees 3,783. 185. If A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3 and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5, then C is to A is equal to answer 15 is to 8. 186. What number should be added to each one of 6, 14, 38 to make it equality proportionate? Answer 2. 187. A and B can do a piece of work in 8 days, but A alone can do it in 12 days. How many days would B alone can do the same work? Answer 24. 188. Find the area of a parallelogram whose base is 9 cm and altitude is 5 cm. Answer 45 cm square. 189. If the radius of a circle is increased by 20%, then how much will its area be increased? Answer 44%. 190. Consider the following data. Answer 7. 191. Who wrote the book Laid to Rest? Answer Ashish Roy. 192. The first woman lawyer who became the judge of the Supreme Court of India is answer Indu Malhotra. 193. 1.1 billion year old bright pink pigment was discovered in answer West Africa. 194. Pick out the correct one in respect of the following statement. Answer Tanjavur, Tiruvallur, Villupuram. 195. The state of India which leads in the production of cardamom is answer Kerala. 196. The number of gold medals bagged in by India in the 21st Commonwealth Games is answer 26. 197. The person who won the National Award for Best Teacher for 2017 from Tamil Nadu is answer R. Sati. 198. What is the rate of GST imposed on tea? Answer 5%. 199. Ganga Vriksharopan Abhiyan is a answer National Mission for Clean Ganga. 200. The Indian state that has signed a MOU for the first cow sanctuary is answer Rajasthan.